Fuck recipes, you don't need them. I'm gonna show you how to make a Molé Rojo. Kind of, not authentic, but I love this technique, so let's go. First things first, you're gonna thicken with a bread or a tortilla, anything you got. I'm actually using tortilla chips, I'm gonna soak in water. Next, you got peppers. I'm gonna go with some sort of green pepper I found. You can go with a fancy fresh pepper, an Anaheim pepper, a pasilla pepper, probably pronouncing that wrong. The peppers you're gonna toast over a flame or put some sort of char on them, it tastes better. Nuts, I'm going almonds and something else when I decide what to add. I think it'll be peanuts. You're gonna wanna toast those in a pan so they release the oils, get all tasty. Chilies, here's the important part. Go to a Mexican grocer, find the coolest chilies you can find. I'm using guajillo and morita, I think. I think that's how you pronounce it. I wanna stop. If you want an authentic mole recipe, find an old grandmother on YouTube making mole who's from Mexico and follow her recipe. Spices. This is where you can just get crazy, have fun with it. I'm gonna use cumin and I'm gonna use some taco spice that's been sitting in my cupboards for a long time. Fat, I don't have lard, which is more legit, so I'm using olive oil. Aromatics, again, use whatever you got in your cupboards. Use about, I got onions, I got garlic. Finally, umami. Umami, I'm gonna add roasted tomatoes. That's tons of umami. You roast them a little bit, get some of the moisture out of them, give them a bit of a char. The thing that's amazing about the mole technique, mole, I don't know how to say it. The thing that's awesome about this technique is you do everything separately, then you throw it in a blender and you blend it. And you put it over whatever food you're eating. In this case, I'm making really simple meatballs. This is an incredibly versatile sauce. It's so fun to make. It's so fun to experiment with. Just try it. It will get you really fired up and interested in cooking. Let's go. Experiment, have fun, be creative, don't be scared to fail. You got this.